In the course of a preventive cardiology, the lifestyle modification plays a very much important role in the treatment of cardiovascular abnormalities. Hence, we have to learn what are the guidelines given by the Ayurvedic text for the lifestyle modification. What should be your lifestyle? And that is all been described in detail by the Ayurveda in the form of a dinacharya. Why one has to follow the dinacharya? The answer given by the Ayurvedic text is Utthayottaya satam swasthena arogyamichata dhimata tadanushtheyam. The person who is healthy, the complete social, mental and physical well-being, the person who is having that well-being, that person has to follow the dinacharya procedure to maintain that good health. What the health is defined by the Ayurveda is nothing but the samadosha, samagnicha, samadhatu malakriya, prasanna atma, indriya mana, swastheti abhidhiyate. In this shloka, the Ayurveda says all doshas should be at their normal level. Samadhatu, samadosha, samagnicha, samadhatu malakriya. So the status of the Agni, the status of the Dhatu, status of the Mala, everything should be in a balanced stage. And the person who is having that balance has to follow this dinacharya, this lifestyle modification, or he has to follow this lifestyle to keep himself away from the disease. So the importance of this lifestyle is very important. So importance is really very great. Why? Because this lifestyle gives us the guideline by which we can control our doshas in our body. We will not allow the doshas to increase our body and to cause harm in future. As we know, with respect to doshas, there is a avastha called chaya, prakop, vruddhi, and everything is there. So they have mentioned Shat Kriya Kal. Never it happens that dosha will enter in your body and immediately it will affect you. No, it will not affect. So gradually those doshas will cause a disease in your body. So to keep away yourself from those doshas which are going to harm you, you have to follow this dinacharya by which you will be able to keep yourself healthy for a longer time. What they have said, first of all, they have given the time at which any person should get up, should wake up in the morning. They have mentioned that Brahme Muhurte Uttishthai Jirna Jirnam Vicharayam. What does it exactly mean? The Brahma Muhurta given by the Ayurvedic Sankalpana or the concepts of the Kala Ganana by the Ayurveda, it says it's near about when the half prahar is nothing but a 1.5 hour. One prahar is made up of 3 hours, so half hour is a 1.5 hour just before sunrise. You have to wake up. It is termed as a Brahma Muhurta. As per the Doshavastha at that time, during the Brahma Muhurta, Doshavastha is in the endings of the night. The Vata dosha is a predominant. So you are advised to wake up in the Kala of Vata. So Vatavasthe madhe रुग्णांनी उठावे ही आज्ञा दिनचर्या पालन करत असताना रुग्णांना सांगितलेली आहे. ह्या वेळात उठण्याचं कारण जर तुम्ही अभ्यासलं तर तुम्हाला सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा हे कळेल की वाताला सकाळी उठून त्याच्याकडनं काम करून घेणं अपेक्षित आहे. जेव्हा तो ताकदवर आहे, सूर्योदयापूर्वीचा 3 तासामध्ये वात प्रबल असणार. तो 1.5 तास शिल्लक असताना उठणं आणि त्या उठलेल्या कालावधीमध्ये वाताकडनं मलविसर्जनाची कामं करून घेणं हे अपेक्षित असल्या कारणाने ब्राह्ममुहूर्तावर उठण्यास प्रत्येक व्यक्तीला सांगितलं गेलेलं आहे. ब्राह्ममुहूर्तावर उठण्याचं कोणाला नको सांगितलं याचा विचार केला तर आढळतं की अजीर्ण असणाऱ्या व्यक्तींनी ब्राह्ममुहूर्तावर उठू नये. शास्त्रकार सांगतात ब्राह्मे मुहूर्ते उत्तिष्ठे जीर्णा जीर्णन विचारय. परत अजीर्णाची चिकित्सा सांगताना ते सांगतात रसशेषे शयितच. सुश्रुत सांगतात की सर्व प्रकारच्या अजीर्णांमध्ये दिवास्वाप रुग्णांनी घ्यावा आणि त्यात त्याचं ते अजीर्ण बरं होणार आहे. ज्वराच्या कालावधीमध्ये जरी दिवास्वाप सांगितलेला नसला तरी विश्रांती जरूर सांगितलेली आहे. त्या विश्रांतीबरोबर लंघन सांगितलेलं आहे. सो इट इज ॲडवायजेबल टू टेक अ रेस्ट इफ युअर डायजेशन इज नॉट कम्प्लीट. So if your GIT is signaling you that there is something remaining inside of your abdomen, you are not having a feel of comfort with respect to your abdomen, you are having a heaviness in your abdomen. So in all those cases, ajirnavastha is there. Right from burning sensation, all signs and symptoms of the acidity can be calculated in the different types of ajirna, that is amajirna, vidagdhajirna, vishtapdhajirna, rasasheshajirna. So in those all ajirnas, The patient is not advised to wake up early in the morning. Instead of that, he is advised to take a rest. Without waking up, he has to take a rest, and that rest itself will help him to come out of that ajirna status. So let me clear one more thing also. Divaswap, advising Divaswap to the ajirna patient, that means advise a complete bed rest with NBM. So these two things are important. If you will walk, you may get, if you will do something, if you will do exercise in a ajirna avastha, definitely you will get a sensation of the hunger. You may think as if you are having, your ajirna is clear now, but that phase will be temporary. So Granthakar or the Shastra says that you have to take a rest in a ajirna avastha. While taking a rest, your metabolic rate will be at a least. So your body will not require energy, you will not get a hunger. So in that stage, body will try to adjust all internal systems, and in this way the treatment will be done by yourself only, by just taking a rest in the morning. But what is necessary, don't take a rest by eating food. After eating food, if you are going to take a rest and you are expecting that Divaswap will help you, definitely no, that Divaswap will cause a great damage in future. Hence, what is important? Take a rest with NBM, that is a nil by mouth. So the treatment of ajirna is this, like this. If you will go through the different types of ajirna, again I am repeating, Vishtabda ajirna, Vidagdha ajirna, Ama ajirna. So in all those cases, the treatment line, what the Panchakarma is advised is different. So in all those cases, I will advise, keep yourself NBM and then take a rest. It will help you a lot. So what is the advice? In the morning hours, you have to wake up at near about 4:30. If the 6 a.m. is the time of a sunrise, then you have to wake up at the 4:30 a.m. in the morning. What are the positive effects with respect to cardiovascular system? There are n number of effects on the hormonal status of in the body. There are n number of effects on the physiological responses in the body. Say for example, the job given to the apana, apano panaga shravani basti medra uru gochara. So apana stays in the lower part of your kati or hip, I can say. So what is the job given to that apana? Mala, Mutra, Shukra, Artava, Visarjan is a job given to that apana. So that job is expected in early morning only. So you have to utilize the kala of a vata in the morning hours. Again, the one more important thing with respect to modern concepts, modern says that throughout the night when you are in a fasting, one individual remains for 8 hours of fasting in night only. Throughout the day, he never remains for a fasting for 8 to 10 hours. But throughout the night, yes, he is truly in a fasting stage. Without eating or drinking anything, he is actually NBM for 8 hours. So in those 8 hours, blood tries to throw away the all waste through the kidney and to form a urine concentration, and the urine is deposited into the bladder. The urine will be accumulated in the bladder. So blood is now at a purified stage. So now you just learn it clearly. As we have discussed earlier, blood is nothing but the vehicle in which all the useful as well as waste materials are deposited. Throughout the night, the blood will try to deposit all under processed food material into the respective areas. Say for amino acids. Amino acids will be given to different cells, and those cells will utilize those amino acids for the protein built up in themselves or throughout the body. So amino acid load is over. The lipid, all those we have discussed earlier, that is a chylomicron and all those things which are there in the blood will be given back to the liver, and liver will form its own lipid profile. But that lipid profile will be much more better as compared to the lipid profile which was there postprandially.